welcome back to our crafting channel. I'd like to thank Lakai for submitting his construction paper rainbow with the 3D effects. I'm going to demonstrate how he did it. We have cut out a pot from black construction paper, also a white cloud, and then strips for each color of the rainbow. I've glued them on backwards on the top of our pot because when we flip it over, it'll be the right way. Okay. And then the cloud you glue with the strips on top because once again, when you flip it over, it will have that 3D effect. So you're gonna get some glue on here, and you wanna go about halfway with the cloud as also with the strips halfway on the pot. So a dab of glue for each. Okay, all the way across your cloud in rainbow order. And then when you flip it over, you will get your 3D effect. So it can be partially on your pot or it can be partially off the paper as well. There we have it. Now for some added details, we need coins. You know, a pot of gold has its coins. So with a little bit more glue on the top of the pot, it can be spilling over your gold coins. I have some sequins here. Lakai did a nice job of cutting out his coins with construction paper. Gonna just place my gold sequins here. Get creative, use what you'd like. And one more special effect, we have some cotton balls here to make that cloud a little fluffier. And there we have it, your 3D rainbow pot of gold.